Alright, welcome back to the Paranormal Tech Series, Part 2, EMF detectors and REM pods. But before we take a look into that, please hit that like and subscribe button. Keep yourself updated on more future videos and paranormal evidence. Now let's take a look. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about EMF detectors. First one up, the classic millimeter. Turn it on, which detects milligauss and temperature. It's a whopping 59 degrees down here, so that's awesome. Oh, it's going up. Classic has a REM pod. You extend the antenna, go to the back, make sure you turn it on. And then anything gets close and personal to it, lights up and makes that amazing sound. With this one, you have to get damn near touching it to set it off. You can also turn the sound off. So all you get is the lights if you get anything close, if you want to go quiet. So there's the millimeter. A lot of groups use them. I use it still. Funny story. I had it set up at the Tinker Swiss Cottage once. I have yet to still see the REM pod go off.
Like your word. Shut the hell up. I wasn't even. Yeah, you didn't hear it? I thought I was pointing at it, and then I was watching it. Sam and I were watching it, and then I looked at the camera and I adjusted it. I was like, I might have been looking up at the ceiling. I know I had one job.
I just want to be able to see it go off. Just once. Next is the EMF detector. $30 off Amazon. Turn it on. Hold this button down. It lights up. Plus, it has a little flashlight in the back. Hold it down. Turn it off. You can mount it to a tripod if you like. You also have it change it by holding this button down. Temperature of the area. Right there in Fahrenheit. Press this button again. Or hold it down. It shows it in Celsius. Hold it down. Put it back. So this one, these two they're basically the same. They'll show the temperature, the EMF. The only thing difference is this one, the millimeter has a REM pod. This one does not. Last but not least, this is basically like a REM pod. I have a video on how to build your own. It is a hack. What I mean by a hack is you get these doorbell alarms. I took the innards out, put it in here, added a LED and a different buzzer / alarm. Nice thing about this is when you turn it on, you have, with the antenna all the way down like it is right now, you have to get pretty close to it. But the more you extend the antenna, the larger the EMF field gets. Once it's all the way up, your range is around, turn this off, the range is around a good 4 to 6 feet. So if you have like a good 25 by 25 size room, say about 4 or 5 of these, put these in there, you got that whole room covered. Anything disrupts that EMF field, get alarms. Alright, thanks for watching and blah. And are you serious? Alright, thanks for watching. Next up will be cameras. Alright, thanks for watching. Next up will be cameras, GoPros, and camcorders. And I might even sneak a video on how I've hacked the GoPros, the cheap GoPro, and turned it into so it could see infrared. Until then, thanks for watching.